down their dropship would put a stop to this.
I have to get out to the front of the float and take out that dropship. Too bad.
Are they gone? And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a...
To get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself!
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Yeah!
Train's pulling away. Let's go.
I've got to get out of here!
Sticking around for this!
Yeah. Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Main train has arrived! And comes our smash!
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Never go planet hopping with.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
Goons are useless! This is what I